Thank you. I have a question for you. I maybe should put it in email form.
Okay.
In fact, I'll just do that. But
Sounds good.
Regis I meant to tell you that Regis just came right to my class, and that's what this email's about. So he's here. He was here. If you have to mark him.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put him in your class.
Yeah. Yeah, and he's been coming since before I dropped, and just something got mixed up in the on my end.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes a lot more sense.
Yeah, he likes the class, I think, or at least I hope. So I think it's a good situation.